So, good day, sir. So, I am Manny Sanchez, the first reporter. So, ang amo topic is all about computations of probabilities using normal tables. So, ang normal table or also known as z-score is mao ni ang ginagamit to calculate probabilities associated with the normal distributions. So, kani nga table nag-provide ni siya og cumulative probabilities for different z-scores. So, naa ko'y example diri adto ka example. So, first is kani siya. So, pasabot ana nga lapas na 0.5 ang area ani kay ang isa ka area is gisakop na. So, hanapon na to ang negative 1 sa z-score. So, mo ang answer nga 0.3413. Since above man siya, ang buhatan nato ana is i-add na to ang 0.5. Nako ang 0.5 kay tungod nasakop man sa negative ang imong 0.5. Thus, the probability is 0.8413 or 84.13%. So, mao ni ang example number 2. Since ingani man, so wala niya nasakop ang katunga sa normal curve. Therefore, mas ubos sa 0.5 ang area ani. So first, kuhaon na to ang positive 1. Same lang sila sa negative 1. Ang corresponded ani is 0.3413. Basta positive, ato lang siya i-subtract. So, 0.5. So, 0.5 minus 0.3413 is 0.1587. Therefore, the probability is 0.1587 or 15.87%. So, that's all for my topic, sir.
So hello sir, I am the next reporter of case 2 less than z, at most z, no more than z, the left of z not greater than z below. So example 3, find the probability to the left of z equals 1.5. So understanding z scores indicates how many standard deviation value is from the mean of a standard normal distribution. So a positive z-scores like 1.5 means the value is above the mean, while a negative z-scores like negative 1.5 means it is below the mean. So example 3, I've mentioned finding the probability to the left of z equals 1.5. The notation of pz less than negative 1.5 seems to be a typo, as I looking for kanis siya sa kuan pz less than equals 1. Pz less than negative 1.5. So kuan kung matanaw ninyo siya kung matanaw ninyo siya din hiya is kuan sa look up z equals 1.5 and the z table find that pz less than 1.5 is approximately 0.9332 or 9093332. So this means there is a 93.32%. So chance that a randomly selected value from the standard normal distribution will be less than 1.5. So the calculation kay kuan P2 less than negative 1.5 equals 0.5 and negative 0. Minus pa ni siya negative man ata minus guro ni 0.44332. seems incorrect or out the context, it meant be koan. Ano na siya? Difference sa z-scores or misunderstanding in notation. So, dari sa example for sa example 4 kay koan Sugar and Shine. Wait lang. Sa example 4 is find the probability below z equals 1.5. So, kanang koan mo ni siya pz less than negative 1.5 equals 0.04332 tapos plus 0.5. So, this indicates that probability of being below z equals 1.5 is the area to the left of that z equals score. The 0.5 represents the cumulative probability from the mean z equals O to the left, which is half of the distribution. So, PZ less than 1.5 is equal 0.9332. Then, means there is 93.32%. So, next is case 3 between Z1 and Z2 between negative Z1 and Z2. So, understand the concept. So, find the probability between Z equals negative 2 and Z equal negative 1.5. So, example 5, kaning probability between Z1 equals negative 2 and Z2 equals 1.5. The notation is P negative 2 less than Z or less than negative 1.5 equals 0. Indicates that kanang duha siya nagkuan siya og probability that Z is greater than negative 2 and less than 1.5. So, find the probabilities. First, i-calculate nimo probabilities for each z scores sa z stable. For negative z1 equals negative 2. Then, cumulative probability PZ less than negative 2 is approximately is 0.228 mo na siya di. So, doon na kay kumurag direct bitaw. So, 2.28% of the distribution. Below negative 2, Z2 equals negative 1.5. The cumulative probability is PZ less than negative 1.5 is kumoto siya 0.0668. So, na siya ang iyahang sa probability. Calculating the probability between Z1 and Z2. So, between these two Z negative scores, yung kanang ikuha na po din siya cumulative probability of Z1 from the cumulative probability of Z2. So, P negative 2 less than Z less than negative 1.5 equals PZ less than negative 1.5 minus PZ negative PZ less than negative 2. So, the calculate is 0.0668 minus 0.0228. So, ang equals is 0.0440. So, mo na siya ang koan. Or the probability is 0.440 or 4.40%. So, that's all. Thank you.
Find the probability between Z equals 0.98 and Z 2.58. So kay di same same positive man ni sila ato so ang proseso nato ani is kuhaon nato ang both kuan nila kanang 0.98 and ikuan nato yat. So isubtract nato ni siya. Atong buhaton is ato ni siya isubtract. So 0.4955 minus 0.3365 equals 0.1586. So therefore, the probability is 0.1586 or 15.86%. Mao to siya ang answer sa example 6. So, dirita sa case 4. Case 4, between Z and negative ZZ between negative Z1 and negative Z2. Example 7. Find the probability between Z and negative 1.32 and Z equals 2.37. So that is kani sila is different. Taglain ni sila kuan sign, negative and positive ni siya. So ang atong buhaton is both side nila is atong kuhaon ang positive, isang positive and isang negative sign. So ang himuon nato is ato ni siya i-add is ang kuan is point ang kapiyon nato ang sign is 0.4066 plus 0.4911 equals 0.8977. So therefore, the probability is 0.8977 or 89.77%. So mao to ang answer sa example 7. Dirita sa example 8, find the probability between Z equals 0.92 and Z negative 1.75. So kay same naman ni sila, ang ato buhaton is same na po ato na po ni siya i-add. So, kay same naman ni sila sa number 7 nga example o kaning number 8 is same ra ni sila, taglahi og kuan different side. So ato ni siya ang buhaton nato ani is i-add nato ni siya ang 0.3212 plus 0.4599 equals 0.7811. So therefore, the probability is 0.7811 or 78.11%. Mao to siya ang answer nga atong makuha sa ilang side, different side. So kay gi-add naman nato na sila ang kuha na nato kay parehas taglahi man sila kuan positive and negative man, so ato na siya i-add. So mao to ang answer. So
So, example, the weights of adults in Barangay X approaches a normal distribution with a mean of 52.9 kilogram and standard deviations of 7.2 kilogram. If an adult is chosen at random from Barangay X, what is the probability that his weight is above 48.5 kilograms? So, using the z-score formula, z equals x minus mean over the standard deviation. So, we have given the mean 52.9 and standard deviation equals 7.2 and x to 48.5. So using the formula, z-score, so ang x na to is motong 48.5 minus mean motong 52.9 over 7.2, which is tong standard deviation. So 48.5 minus 52.9 equals negative 4.4 over 7.2. So negative 4.4 divide 7.2, so the answer is negative 0.61. So, ang 0.61 is i-plus di mo na siya sa 0.5. Asa gikuha ang 0.5? So, back to case 1. Itong case 1 na topic, ang 0.5 is given na siya sa pagkuha ng area. So, we have a probability z. So we have the probability 0. So moto answer 0.2291 plus 0.5. So manang answer niya, the probability is 0.7291. So thus the probability that the randomly selected adult's weights above 48.5 kg is 0.7291 or 72.91%. So, next is example 10. A brisk walk at 4 miles per hour burns on an average of 300 calories per hour. If the standard deviations of the distribution is 8 calories, find the probability that a person who walks 1 hour at the rate of 4 miles per hour will burn in the following calories. So, assume the variable to be normally distributed. So to assume lang, so first is i-solve na to ang more than 280 calories. So, assume, so using the same formula of z-score, so z equals 280 minus 300 over 8. So, equals negative 20 over 8. So, negative 20 divide 8 is moto ang answer is negative 2.5. So, to find the area, probability, so 2.5, so ang area sa 2.5 is moto ang 0.4938. So, ang 0.4938 i-plus nimo sa 0.5 as I said previously is given ng 0.5. To find kung hanapon nimo ang area ng probability. So 0.4938 plus 0.5 equals 0.9938. So thus the probability is 0.9938 or 99.38%. So thank you.